Hi everyone. This week in 201 Lab, which will be week 6, September 28th through the 1st of October, it goes on Thursday, we want you to kind of get some things done before you come to lab. As you know, we have our labs pretty jam-packed because there's so much to share with you and so much that we really want you to learn. And so we're going to kind of flip these a little bit and say that you have a little bit of work to do before you come to lab. So off and on labs that we feel that this is necessary, we're probably going to be providing some materials in Blackboard for you guys to use. So what I want you to do is before you come to lab next week or during week 6 is find the program Scratch. Okay, so I just Googled it. And it's the first one that comes up. It's called Scratch, Imagine, Program, and Share. And it will take you to the Scratch homepage. Scratch was designed at MIT. Scratch is actually used a lot in schools, and especially in elementary schools because it's such an easy coding language. You guys, years ago, programming maybe wasn't as popular. Was very popular. It kind of sagged in popularity, and now it's very popular. Maybe you've heard about Hour of Code and those kinds of things. It's really getting people back into, especially elementary students, back into using programming, computer science, and encouraging, and especially for girls. So Scratch is a user-friendly language to do that. So all we want you to do here is you can please explore this as much as possible. I hope you do. That's what we want you to do. We don't have time in lab to do all of this, but it's really gaming. And so I think you'll have fun doing it and looking it over. You guys, right here is a really good video. It's just a really small, short video. You might want to play that. It's about 3 minutes long. It will give you kind of a good introduction. So if you've never heard about Scratch, I would watch that video. But what we want you to do is we want you to join Scratch and get an account before you come to lab. So you can either one of two places, up top here or here. And notice it's free. It doesn't cost anything. So I'm just gonna make a false account for 201. So my username is going to be 201 ISU. I will do Cyclone. I don't know if this is going to work. We'll see. Confirm the password, Cyclone, and go to next. Okay, and then you fill this out. Again, you guys, I'm just going to fill something out here. I won't be as old as I am. Female, country. All they're doing here is they're just giving stats for who's using the program. You will have to enter an email account for this. I will enter my Gmail account. You can enter whichever account you would like if you don't want this going. You really don't get any that much mail or anything like that. They just want to confirm you. Okay. Welcome to Scratch 201 ISU. You're now logged in. You can start exploring and creating. So you guys just make sure. It says if you want to share comments, simply click on that. That's commenting on others' programs and stuff, so I'm not sure you'll want to do that, but at least it will be done, okay? You can use your ISU account. I didn't use my ISU account because my actual account is under my ISU account, okay? So that's why I use this one in a different account. So now at this point, you guys, really what you do is you just go back and we're logged in now, and then you can kind of use, create, explore, those kinds of things. You know, you can start exploring, just kind of messing with stuff. We just want to encourage you to kind of get in there and get started right away. So with that, hopefully you'll have an account, write it down, don't forget your username and password, and then from there you can just see examples. We have other examples. We have another short 7-minute video for you to watch just so that you can kind of see and kind of understand, okay, what's this programming all about? It's just, I know it can be overwhelming, but I think this will help you as you enter your lab next week, and it won't be quite as intimidating. Okay? So good luck with getting up and getting your Scratch account set up, and have fun with it. Just explore it, look at what people do with it, and kind of think of it in the back end in terms of critical thinking skills, computational skills. There's a lot going on there. Okay? Thanks. Have a great week.